Hey, what's up? It's Mark from Straight to You Tech, and if you got the Logitech Folio Touch keyboard for your MacBook Pro 11 or 12.9, whatever that is, we know there's been a glitch, and nobody's been able to get backlighting on their keyboard. I've been trying, I've been updating that app, been trying to do everything to get it going. I just been messing with these buttons. I'm just like, man, I bought this thing for $169. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Well, this is why. You have to update your iPad OS. This is what we should be doing anyway. Why are we so dumb? Why are we not doing this stuff? We just expect these iPads to just work right out the box. And yeah, as much money as we're paying for them and everything, why are they not working like we want them to? Of course, you got to go through this long update. Make sure you have 13.6. As you can see, the keyboard is not lighting up, and I just want it to light up. That's all I've been wanting. This thing to work. It is so hard to work in the night. I've been using my phone light to try to see my keys when I'm trying to type and everything like that. But I updated it, and now this is what happened. Now the lights are on, and it's all it was an update. I just can't believe it. Us as a people, why are we not trying to offend anybody, but why are we just not doing the correct things? And why is Logitech not telling us to update it? Update the iPad, but if you have automatic updates on and everything, your keypad will work. They'll light up, no problem. But there's a lot of people in the comments up on the App Store and Apple, like, yo, this thing is not working. So update your software, update your firmware, whatever which they call it. 13.6 and above should get your keypad working. Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I'm out.